Hi, how are you doing? You don't have to watch this one, but, you know, there's potential interest of things. Potential interest of things, I will say. I guess. So basically I'm doing audio testing. I had to, for reasons, factory reset my PC. Yeah, let's not get into it. And that sucked, obviously, and part of it involves the resetting up of some things, including audio, which, if you are a longtime viewer, if such a person does exist, thank you, first of all. Secondly, you will know that audio has been the bane of my existence. Of all things I've ever done online, audio is the #1 issue always, and forever, seemingly. So today I'm going to do some testing. I've got my Voicemod thing set up a little better. I've got my Streamdeck set up a little better. I've taken the opportunity. I've turned the negative into a positive. Let's hope. Okay, so first let's do desktop, capture, Voicemod. Let me turn that off, turn that off, turn that on. Okay, so this is what we're working with. All I'm going to be doing is trying out all the buttons on my Streamdeck and testing the audio. Okay, so to do that, I actually want my mixer up as well, which I don't think you're going to be able to see. The mixer. You know what? I'm going to move the mixer to my main monitor. I'm a 3 monitor guy. Well, I'm actually a 2 monitor, 1 television guy. I did actually find a piece of advice as well that said you should have your voice 15 decibels higher than the game audio. So maybe I should turn a game on. But, well, that's not what this is about necessarily. Okay, so first let's test out the elevator. Very loud. Okay, so that obviously needs to go way down. Better? Oh wow. Okay, that's good there. Fortunately, this saves so that next time around. Yeah. Okay, so maybe I should give a warning. I didn't realize it would be quite that loud. Well, you know what? That was like at the same level as my voice, but I want it lower. Just, you know, we're gaming, so I find myself in a lot of elevators, needless to say. All right, next is... Okay, so they're all going to be pretty loud, apparently. You know, I've learned my lesson. Going forward, I'm going to be starting them at a much lower level. Yeah, that's better. Oh, wait, I can't, because I'm going to push a button and it's just going to start playing. All right. Maybe I got to be quick about it. There we go. Yeah, if I'm quick about it. Sad trombone. No. All right. All sorts of potential for that one. Oh, it doesn't make the sound at the end? Are you kidding me? Or did I push it before it made the sound? That's gonna give me blue balls. Okay, uh-oh. Alright, the mute button works because I just sneezed. So that's nice. Further testing. Okay, so should I do... I guess I could show you this. Can I show both? Add source. I can. Yeah, so here's my Steam Deck currently. So when I just put it there, make it a little smaller so you could see sort of what we're working with, if you are so inclined. So this is, I got 10 pages. This is page 1. You got your clean mic, which is just what I am speaking through right now. A D20, which won't work on this page because I haven't added it, but I have done testing. I used to have all my scenes, but I figured the fireside chat and the opening, I don't really need buttons for because they're only used sort of at the beginning and at the end. But be right back and back to the game, sort of nice. And then for, kind of common ones, I thought, because I'm going to probably be on this page, excuse me, most of the time. Okay, so let's start checking out some of this. Cave. Hello. I'm in a cave. Oh, maybe I should hear myself. Hi? I'm in a cave, I suppose. Hear the dripping? Test, test, test. Oh, wait a second. I just realized, so this is not... Are you hearing this? Shoot. Are you hearing me in a cave, that is? Because I can only do it when I push this button. I can hear myself in that cave, but then it's duplicating the audio, which you can't see. Okay, well, when I push this hear myself button. Okay, so, why don't I just quickly run through the voices then? I'll do them all right away and just see how they sound. Because they may or may not be working. I forget how that works exactly. Okay, so that's cave.
And then there's, I'm just a cute little guy. Pretty adorable, right? Then, of
course, because often we are dealing with robots, it's important to be able to speak their language. And then...
Sometimes you just want to be a girl. Of the girl AI voices I tried, this one seemed to be the most accurate, like I say, in terms of being able to understand and seemingly less AI-y.
Back to clean mic. Let's go to the next. Okay, so let's try Spaceman. Yeah, it's just me having a battle in space. Oh shoot, some of this background music. Oh, okay, so I think it is working. Wait, let me just try. Back to clean mic. Okay, yeah, I think you are hearing it because some of these have background music. Wait. Oh, well. I thought it was a background. Okay, so... I am gonna have to do some... Which of these have background music? Okay, so none of those did. Does this one? This is Space Captain. Okay, it does a bit, but let's turn out. Just Darth those. Okay, so any that say background music here, I'm gonna have to hear myself. Luke, I'm your stepfather. Alright?
The one you said background music. Oh yeah. Hi, I'm sophisticated. It's hard to do when you can hear yourselves like that. I'm a sophisticated AI, apparently.
Magic chords, yeah. Doesn't have background music. T-Pain does though. What does he sound like? Hi, I'm T-Pain. It's a Vulcan name. So you can see I've sort of broken these up to, these are space buttons. These are music buttons. Like harmony, for example. Harmonizing. And maybe we're at a party. Party actually. Party in the U.S.S.R. Good stuff. Talking through a, how do you say, megaphone. It's like a phone, but bigger. Okay, so
watching this one did have some background music, but it was sort of needed, I think. Yeah. I'm just a creepy doll with your brains and soul. Okay, this dragon one.
It's interesting. I think maybe a little hard to understand. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not bad. That's right.
Hi, how you doing? Please to meet you. Background. Okay, I think that's alright. So basically what I'm gonna do
Is I'm gonna listen to this, and then if anything sounds like really off, I can adjust it. Is my thought. Because I'm just a big ogre guy. I found it funny to do the ogre, and then sort of do a high voice, and I sound really funny when I do a high voice. IRL.
classic ogre. Another background. Ooh, I'm a ghost. So spooky. Ghost. Trash mic, this might be loud. Should maybe turn this one off. Or down. Hi, yes? Oh god. Was that so loud? Okay, maybe that. It's supposed to sound bad, but not that bad. Pipe? Pipe? Oh, hey, no, what do you mean? Sound of a pipe? No, I don't hear that. Just your classic echo. Fun. Times are had, but you might. It's actually hard to, like, when you hear yourself, it's hard to talk normal. Weird, right?
Time's up.
The timekeeper. Oh yeah, I have an upcoming D&D character. I thought this one might come Boom.
Clean mic. I think this is, yeah, that's the last page. Whoops. This is the last
Page of Beppa's voices on it. Okay, so this what background is. You wanna play I don't know, like a sport maybe? Yeah? No? Yeah? Alright,
The old lady, Agatha. She's one of the, I think she's among the first AI generated voices on this, so yeah. Keep one of the old school ones, literally. Yeah, these two.
Man on mic. Hi, I'm just a man, and I'm on a mic over and out. Yeah, it's me. I'm a lady, and I'm also on a mic over and out. I feel like we could have a conversation together, you and I. Yeah, I don't see why we couldn't. That'd be cool. What are you doing later? You want to go get some pizza? Yeah, okay. How about calzone? How do you feel about calzones in general? Kind of like just extra dough at that point, isn't it? Yeah, I guess, alright, let's go.
and that's how that'll work. And then last but not least, question mark. Oh yeah, this was like a weird one. I kind of forget what it sounds like. Hello, I'm a little Oliver. Welcome to my realm. Yeah, so that's interesting. Okay, so let's go back. So, oh yeah, in terms of pages, so as we said, we have, this is my default one. There you go. I guess I could do this in case you want to see it. Better. Alright. Yeah, so this is my default page. Space page. Let's do some space. Oh, okay, where's that? Oh, gotta go back to clean mic. Okay, so that's too loud. Why is it not showing up here? Favorites? Okay, it should be showing up here so I can adjust it. Okay, there we go. Because that's obviously very loud. Still loud. Yeah, okay, so I want these down apparently very loud. That's fine. Ooh, that'll be a good one for, you know, fights. Or beaming to places. Or shooting a torpedo. Take that. Or okay, this one should be like maybe a little louder. Slightly louder than some others. Oh,
Fun will now commence. Fun will now commence.
Hey, it hasn't already? Am I right? All right, we got some... Oh yeah, again, this is the musical tab. This is pretty good. Classic. Then you got Mexican music for some reason. Hey, it's just like happy. It's happiness. You could see what's the next button's gonna be, obviously. Jeopardy. I reverse rickrolled you there. You thought I was gonna push... You thought I was gonna push the rickroll button, but I didn't. I'm gonna push it now. I got you again, you idiot. Oh, you weren't expecting it. Alright, so that'll probably get me, I don't know if that was enough to get me a copyright notice, but we'll see. Yeah, you gotta be careful with that one, I guess. Okay, so moving on to... Yeah, sus. I don't know what that picture's from. It's kind of sus. Is that a good volume? Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. So that is... I'm just looking at my... So that goes up to 24, minus 24. And when my normal talking's around minus 12, minus 9. So according to the little thing I saw... Funny thing, oh yeah, lightning strike. This is apparently the sound of lightning. I've changed it in my buttons to say thunder. Because this is a thunderclap, not a lightning strike. Ominous, though. Actually, because of its ominousity, I should maybe make it a bit louder. Yeah. That's kind of good. Oh, Wilhelm scream? You never know. Yeah, it's another one that can be a little louder. Oh yeah, this is the creepy panel, if I need creepiness. Okay, and then just the button that says creepy. Oh yeah, it's that sound. Yeah, as far as sounds go. You know. This took me a while to set up this. Although, Voicemod does make it pretty easy. You can load your own, which I did in my old... so let's see how long this one is. Which I did in my old setup. Like, I had a lot of my own custom ones loaded up. However, I think they've opened it to community ones to such a degree that all the ones I had were already in there. So I didn't need to upload anything, which is nice. Oh, you know what? That reminds me. I did want to say, if you watching this can think of any sounds that you want added that are better than any of the ones that you've heard here, you got to do two things. Let me know what that sound is, where I can find it, and which one you would like to replace. Do you want to replace Pornhub? Well within your rights. I can't believe Look at a spoon kid.
Solo, fish rock in hand, penis in other hand, ready to get some loot.
Well, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is like the meme page, obviously. You get your memes. Yeah, classic over 9,000. Kerber, do. Meme page.
Emotional damage.
Mm-hmm.
Emotional damage.
Totally.
Emotional damage.
All right. So, oh yeah, this is just sort of like, oh, I gotta be quick on the turn down. Turn down for what? Yeah, if I need that. Oh, okay, let's do that. Wow. I think I could go to 1 on that one. In case I ever need that, or eating. A little lower. Or drinking. Yeah. Eating or drinking. Or a zombie. Oh, that's actually too quiet. Brains. Yeah. I don't really know what the theme of that is necessarily. Just yes, no, eating, drinking, and a zombie. Yep. Okay, so now we're into pages 7, 8, 9, and 10. I ran out of voices that I liked. There's a lot more voices to choose from. I went through every single one and tested them out and tried not to get too much overlap and just ones that I liked. So that's what we got here.
500 cigarettes. 500 cigarettes.
Cigarettes. That's a lot of cigarettes. Yeah, I could tell that was going to be loud. I'm playing a D&D character who, a bard, who has a vuvuzela, magical vuvuzela, so that's fun. What's this one? Oh yeah. This one I'm going to leave a little louder because it should, I figured it'd be kind of fun. There's this one and the knock one that, like, say I'm just playing a game as I want to do, and then just once in a 6-hour playthrough, I just hit that button. And then people watching are like, what the hell? And I trick them. I wasn't sure what I would necessarily use this one for. But, you know, like before a fight. Just the one? Okay. I think 8, 9. Yeah. Bad to the bone. I didn't go through 100% of the sound effects that are available. I went through probably 1,000 of them. Like, I went through a lot of them. Eventually you reach a part where they seem to start repeating. But there's a lot to choose from, needless to say. Boof, Biff, Bork, Borg. Yeah, just British music. Some of these names, well, you can see the names that the files are, British music, and then the name I give them, fancy music. Yeah, because you don't need to use the names that they give you, obviously, because some of them are dumb. Yeah, cash register. Cha-ching. Yay. Yay, kids. In brackets. Yeah, we have it somewhat loud. Just like not very enthusiastic clapping. Pretty good. Oh yeah, this one was...
Come here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy.
I guess if I'm playing like a fishing mini game, sure. Just the classic explosion. Yeah, should be somewhat loud, I guess. It's an explosion.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Brah. Totally brah. Bronchitis. Alright, next page. Oh yeah, bad joke. You need some crickets. Low quality gangman style. I like this, you just put it like really low. Yeah. I feel like for this one, the lower the better. Like you can barely hear it. It's like your neighbors like 3 doors down are having a party. Yeah, Fallout level up.
Ow!
Fry ow?
Ow! Ow!
Oh wow.
Ow!
That goes loud.
Ow! Ow!
Alright. I don't know what that's from. I mean, I know what You Shall Not Pass is from. It's funny when I don't think I listened to the whole thing, so I didn't know it did the music after. You know what? I'm fine with it. Classic Gnome.
Good morning,
Oh yeah, I like this one.
Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, pineapple. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, I tried to get some maybe referencing games that I've played. For example, Half-Life. For example. Oh, this is just like a shit ton of Half-Life sounds. It goes on for a while too. It's like someone took all the Half-Life sound files and put them in one like uninterrupted thing. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Heartbeat, you never know.
Greetings!
Oh, another Half-Life one.
Greetings!
Greetings.
Greetings!
Hello? Oh, this is another one of those. Yeah, I feel like that. Actually, that's when you want quiet. You want that one pretty subtle. So you're not quite sure if you heard it or not. Oh, is this one?
Fascinating.
I don't know why the button... Yeah, look at the button for this, and then look at the button that it actually is. That's weird. That's for the Gangman style one, this one. Alright, so a weirdness there that I am not going to fix. Oh. Okay, back, baby. Duke.
I'm back, baby.
Dumb, yes.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks! Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah. Could have the Jaws theme. A little lower. Subtle. Oh. God damn. I think there's another set it to 1. What do I say? Wait, how was 0? Okay. I was going to say, how's 0 making any sound? Yeah, I feel like 1 is good for that. 2. We'll go 2. Monkey. You never know when you might need the sound of a monkey. As my old grandpappy used to say, the most horrifying sound of all. If you know, you know. Morse code. Yeah. Mysterious stranger.
That was truly cringeworthy.
Thank you. I mean, hey.
Was truly cringeworthy.
Little Matt Mercer action. Yeah, so I started, this is from Persona 5. I started, like, looking for things to games I've already played, since there's our, you know, our interconnected universe. And all. Wasn't able to... Question mark? Oh, yeah. I don't know what this is from, but I liked it. Yeah, what is this from? It was catchy enough. It's Oila Spinning Cat. Okay, that doesn't tell me anything. It doesn't tell me anything. But I liked it enough that I wanted it.
Meanwhile.
Classic Meanwhile.
Meanwhile.
Mm-hmm. Alright, this is the last page. Alright.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Why this one? Come on. Mm-hmm. Lies. I guess if I'm in a game and someone's lying to me, I could push this button. Riz. Yeah. Classic running. Run from the bit. Oh. I don't know how well that one's coming through. Kind of doesn't look like it is. That's more when you're playing Rust and you want to trick someone that you're doing that. See, yeah, again, I played Skyrim. It was the first one I played.
Finally awake.
Mm-hmm.
You were trying to cross the border, right?
Yep.
Right into that Imperial ambush.
You know,
Say
buddy.
something.
Just the Witcher sting. I don't know how often I'm going to be using these necessarily. Your classic WoW. From World of Warcraft, I assume. Yoink.
Yoink. Yoink.
It's a fine level. Too loud? I think I might keep that one a little loud. Let's just rewind that for a second. This is Worf Painstick Scream. And this last one, for some reason, the picture never shows up. I think if I push the button, it will show up. Yeah, just brain rot. Alright, I figured that would be a good last button. Alright, folks, so if you watch this, first of all, why? Weirdo. But, you know, you can see some maybe possibly upcoming things in the various games I'm going to be playing in the future. Mm-hmm. Alright. Yes, indeed. Other things to say? No. Currently, I'm sort of debating what game to go next. I've been doing some little games here and there. But with the holidays coming up, I'm going to want to probably start something larger. I'm really leaning towards Morrowind, which I've never played. So TBD if that happens. I never say these things 100% for sure because they never are. Basically. Alright, I guess that leaves one final thing to say. Oh, of course, end of YouTube video things, blah, blah, blah. And then, it's nice to be nice to the nice. Oh, you know what? That'd be good on a soundboard of me. Because whatever.